माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी।
Now, papers to be laid on the table. After this, papers to be laid on the table of the House. Srimati Maneka Sanjay Gandhi.
Sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 1.
Dr. Jitendra Singh. I will allow you. I will allow
With
you.
your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri
Thank you,
Upendra,
Deputy Chairman, sir.
Sri Upendra Kushwaha.
मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Krishan Pal.
आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 के समक्ष वर्णित दस्तावेजों को मैं सभा के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Y.S. Chaudhary.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 of today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of
Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 7 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Srimati Krishna Raj.
With your permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against the Minister of State for WCD at serial number 8.
Reports of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science, Technology, Environment and Forests. Srimati Renuka Chaudhary. Renuka Chaudhary, no. Sri Prasanna Acharya. No.
86th, 287th, 288th, 289th, 290th and 291st report in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the report of the Committee on the Demand for Grants 2016-17 of the Department of Biotechnology, Space, Scientific and Industrial Research, Science and Technology, Atomic Energy and Ministry of Earth Sciences.
Now, statement of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture. Sri Vinay Katiyar. No. Sri Ramnath Thakur.
महोदय, कृषि संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति 2016 और 2017 के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों पर सरकार द्वारा आगे की गई कार्रवाई को दर्शाने वाले विवरणों को एक-एक प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
No, not over. Let me finish this formal business. I told you I will allow you. I will call you. No. Wait, no. He has notice. That's why I said. Motion for election of the Court of University of Delhi. Sri Prakash Javadekar.
I rise to move that in pursuance of item X 21 of clause 1 read with clause 3 of statute 2 of statutes of the University of Delhi, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be member of the court of the University of Delhi in the vacancy caused by the completion of term of membership of Sri Jagat Prasad Nadda on the court 5th August 2015.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Yeah. I will call you after Derek O'Brien. Okay, Sri Derek O'Brien.
Sir,
I called him. After that, I will call you also. I will allow you also.
sir,
Only. No. He has given notice. Naresh Agarwal has given notice. So second, I will call. He is on a point of order. So let us go by order, not by disorder. Sit down. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What
sir,
is-
my notice is there
Yeah.
because
267.
members of this House and the country needs to know what happened last night. What happened last night is the Chief Minister of Bengal was coming from Patna on a flight. It was about a 1-hour flight. The pilot, when it was 200 kilometers away from Calcutta, announced that they were 8th in the sequence of landing. Subsequently, the pilot has gone on record saying that he informed the ATC that he was short of fuel, so to allow him to land. The landing was delayed. The flight hovered around for, some people are saying 15, some people are saying 30 minutes, but a considerable amount of time. Now, after that, which the ATC are saying, another flight was asked to land. Bottom line is, the pilot had no other option. They had to land that, and there was a full emergency procedure. There were fire engines, there were ambulances, which were all out there. There was a emergency situation created. Not only the Chief Minister of West Bengal was there were 100 other passengers who were there. There was my own colleague here who is the, Mukul, who was the chairman of the Transport Travel. Sir, the question here is there more to this than meets the eye? This is happening, sir. This is not one-off occasion. I'm not making any... Today it is one opposition leader. Is it a coincidence that this opposition leader today is at the forefront? There are other opposition leaders. There is Benji here.
Don't make any allegation.
Here. There is Congress. There is JDU. There is AIDMK.
Don't make any
Sir,
allegation.
Please understand. I'm not making an allegation.
No, you cannot. See.
Sir, I am not making any allegation.
No.
Sir, 1 minute.
I will allow you. I will ask you.
267 notice
I will
is
ask
given
you.
me a
Let me
chance.
explain.
Sir, please understand. I am not an aviation expert, but I can tell you, when a pilot seeks landing, he wants to land, you tell him don't land, and then the aircraft is short on fuel. We know short on fuel means it can fly to 2 other airports. So don't tell us that. When the aircraft has landed, there's a fire engines out, there's the ambulance out, it's a full... Why was it denied to land in the first place? That is why I'm saying, sir, why? That's why I'm saying today is one opposition leader, tomorrow it can be anyone. This is more and more suspicious, because this kind of ultra-authoritarianism is happening in many, many spheres. It is happening in many, many spheres, sir. So I seek your protection. Now, we don't want to know what could have happened. 3 pilots will be called, they'll be called for an inquiry, but this is the Chief Minister of a state, along with 100 other passengers. Why are people in this country, if the Chief Minister of a state is under so much pressure, what happens to normal people in the state? My question here, sir, I am not insinuating anything, but there is a school of thought which believes that this too may be a conspiracy.
Okay, no, there should not be any... See,
sir,
the
this is Tanasahi. This is Tanasahi of its
Mr. Derek O'Brien, sit down. Derek O'Brien, the matter is... See, matter is very serious, but there should not be any allegation on this. No need of allegation. And insinuations also not necessary. I tell you, matter is serious, very serious. But you should not make any allegation now. That is...
He has not made any allegation. Sir, he has not made any allegation. But this is a very, very serious case. If this has happened with one Chief Minister, this can happen with any other leader. I understand, as my knowledge about the aviation,
I'll call you.
That whenever you are short of fuel, you are given the top priority to land at any airport, and particularly when it was close to the Calcutta airport. So this aircraft should have been given the priority, the precedent. This is very
Civil Aviation Minister is here. Would you like to react?
Very serious case.
Sir, I'd like to bring the honorable.
Kindly react.
And there should be an inquiry. There should be an inquiry.
Sir, I'd like to bring the honorable member down to earth.
No.
Sir, I'd like to bring the honorable member down to earth.
Let me listen to the minister.
If I may be allowed to speak, sir, I think the facts will clarify the matter. There was last night indeed a situation where the Indigo flight 6C342 was traveling from Patna to Kolkata.
No, when the minister
was approaching the ATC,
I have to allow.
As it was approaching
After
the
that,
ATC,
I will allow.
It mentioned to the ATC that it was low on fuel. As that communication was sent to the
minister, Civil Aviation Minister.
Two other planes and
No, Civil Aviation Minister, yes. I will allow you.
also indicated that they were.
How
going
can I
to-
prevent the Civil Aviation Minister?
ATC took that into account, and because
I will allow
air
you.
travel safety
After that,
is
I
an
will allow
utmost
you.
priority for us, and the life of every citizen of this country is of utmost priority for us. We ensured that we did everything possible to ensure that these flights landed safely.
Suniye, Ram Gopal ji,
We ensured that every flight landed safely.
Civil
The
Aviation
facts
Mr. Minister,
are that
one second. See, please listen to me. When the minister wants to stand up and say something, I should not block him because he is a Civil Aviation Minister. If you have to say anything, I will allow you after that. I will allow you. I will allow you. I will allow you. Yes. No. When he chose to speak now, I cannot prevent. No. See, no. That is up to the minister. If
So
he
I'd
want
like
to speak.
once again, I would like.
But I will allow.
Once again.
I will allow Kumari Mayavati. I will allow Ram Gopal ji. I will allow. I have no problem. It is in any case it's your over. I can allow. I will allow. Minister must is no. Uske baad. No. Would you like to yield? Would you like to yield?
No, sir,
Would you like to yield?
I think the facts are very clear, sir. I don't think that we need to get into any of these.
You would like to yield,
I
eh?
said, let's bring the debate down to earth with the facts.
Yeah, okay.
So I will.
No, they may have to. Yeah. You. But it is for the minister to decide now.
I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not
It is
yielding,
for
sir.
the it is for the minister to
We just
decide now.
need to go to the facts, sir. So I will repeat the facts.
No.
Last night,
Listen.
night at,
Minister.
at 7:36
No, Mr.
PM.
Minister, listen. Their demand is that you should say your piece or reply after hearing them also. Would you? No. But no, listen. No, please. No, Surya, I will allow you to sit down. See, that is correct. I allowed the minister and he is having the floor. Now, the minister, if you yield, agree, I will call them. Otherwise,
No, sir. I would
Do
not
you
like
agree?
to yield.
You
sir.
call.
No, I would not like to yield, sir.
Eh?
No yielding, sir, because it's a very straightforward matter. The facts are very clear. There is no need to get into an extended discussion on this issue because the facts will clarify the matter. What I would suggest, sir, is let
the
me
minister
clarify
say
the
after
matter
that.
for the honourable members. Let
no
me
matter.
clarify the matter for the honourable members. If at the end of it the honourable members want to bring up any additional points after the full facts are presented, then they may continue the
Yeah.
discussion, sir.
But
But I
see,
would urge upon the honourable
Ram Gopal
members
ji,
for their understanding and wisdom on this matter.
my
so that they can
suggestion
hear the
is,
facts.
please listen to the minister. After that, you will have number of doubts.
Sir, facts
You will have
clarify
number of
this
doubts.
entire matter, sir. Sir, there is no reason to waste the time of
How
the
can
House
you-
on something that is very factual and
See-
very straightforward, sir.
No. See,
So I would
The
urge
problem- you
upon
understand-
honourable members to hear the facts out. I leave it to you, sir.
You understand
Leave it
my
to you, sir.
predicament. Now, please understand. Ram Gopal ji, Surya. You should understand my predicament that when the minister wanted to react, I allowed him. Now, let him complete. After that, you can say. How can I ask him, stop now? No, after his explanation, reply, you may have to say more things.
Sir, I think, sir, it's for the benefit of the members.
There is no
if I may
motion for
clarify
that.
the facts.
There is no motion.
Sir, for the benefit of the members, sir, for the benefit of honourable members, sir, I'd like to provide the facts, sir. Sir, your debate will be enriched by the facts, sir. The debate will be enriched by the facts. I plead with honorable members to at least hear the facts. Please hear the facts, and then you'll be free to speak.
This
sir.
is what is called
Provide
anarchy.
the facts, sir.
This is what is called anarchy.
सर जितने भी ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स अपनी बात कहना चाहते हैं उसमें हमें कोई
Okay.
आपत्ति नहीं है
Yeah.
हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है
Yeah.
जो फैक्चुअल
Okay, Minister agree with that, eh?
वो मंत्री जी ने कहा है कि हमने जांच बैठाल दी है मंत्री जी ने ये कहा है कि हम जो है हमारे लिए मुख्यमंत्री जी की सुरक्षा और आम पैसेंजर्स की सुरक्षा दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है उसके लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं और जो जांच बैठाली गई है उसमें जो भी दोषी होगा उसमें सरकार उपयुक्त कार्रवाई करेगी ये उन्होंने कहा है अभी
Okay, all right. Now Ram Gopal. Now, see, sit down. No. You sit down. No, none of you have, see, all those, you raise notice, you make, you are not given notice. Now you speak.
सर
Yeah, yes.
इस पर नोटिस की बात नहीं है
No, आप बोलिए, I allowed you. I allowed you, then why do you say?
आप सुन रहे
I
हैं
allowed you.
में तो मैं अपनी बात खत्म कर
I
देता आप
allowed
सुन
you.
नहीं रहे
I allowed you.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो मामला डायरेक्ट साहब ने उठाया है और जिसको आगे बढ़ाया है और बात समर्थन किया है माननीय नेता विरोधी दल ने ये बहुत गंभीर मामला है सैकड़ों लोगों की जान खतरे में हो और कोई व्यक्ति ये कहे पायलट कि हमारा इसमें फ्यूल कम है उसको लैंड करने की पहले इजाज़त दी जाए इसके बावजूद उसको लैंड करने की इजाज़त न दी जाए तो किसी न किसी तरह की बात अगर कोई इंसिन्यूएशन वाली बात नहीं है आरोप लगाने वाली बात नहीं न इन्होंने आरोप लगाया है लेकिन अनावश्यक रूप से लोगों के मन में संदेह तो पैदा होता ही लोगों के जीवन को खतरे में डालने वाली बात है इस पर इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए इंक्वायरी को ऑर्डर्स करना चाहिए आपको डायरेक्ट करना चाहिए संबंधित मंत्री को इस पर पूरी जांच हो और जांच की रिपोर्ट सदन के पटल पर आनी चाहिए
Okay.
माननीय उपसभापति जी
After this.
बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री को लेकर खास तौर से प्लेन के लैंडिंग का जो मामला जिसमें और भी पैसेंजर उसके अंदर थे तो ये मामला काफ़ी गंभीर है संवेदनशील है और मैं ये समझती हूँ कि जो भी कल कुछ हुआ है तो वो ठीक नहीं हुआ इसकी हमारी पार्टी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करती है और इसके साथ ही हमारी पार्टी ये चाहती है कि सरकार तो इस मामले को गंभीरता से लें दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर इस मामले की जांच करानी चाहिए तो यदि इस किस्म की ये परंपरा ऐसी ये शुरू हो गई तो फिर तो जो विपक्ष की जो पार्टियां उनके नेताओं के लिए तो बहुत बड़ा खतरा पैदा हो जाएगा तो इसको जो है पूरे देश के अंदर मैसेज ये गया है क्योंकि उसके अंदर बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री मौजूद थी तो लोग इसको दूसरे तरीके से देख रहे हैं ये ठीक नहीं है इसलिए मेरा सरकार को ये कहना है कि आप इसको दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर और यदि इस तरीके की एक गलत परंपरा लागू होगी तो मैं समझती हूँ इस मामले की जांच होनी चाहिए और जांच में जो भी रिपोर्ट आए मैं समझती हूँ कि वो सदन के अंदर उसकी रिपोर्ट आनी चाहिए
अच्छा शरद यादव
इसलिए मैं सरकार से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ
मैं ये निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ कि एक मुख्यमंत्री और उसमें सर्विस प्लेन था और ऐसी परिस्थिति जब पायलट कह रहा है कि फ्यूल की कमी है तो निश्चित तौर पर एक गंभीर घटना है मैं आपके माध्यम से सरकार से कहूँगा कि इसको इसी सदन के अंदर आपको इंक्वायरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करना चाहिए जिससे सब तरह की शंका है और ये बात इतनी गंभीर है कि सरकार को इस पर तत्काल यानी एक्शन कर देना चाहिए और इंक्वायरी अनाउंस करना चाहिए
गुप्ता जी
श्रीमान जी
गुप्ता जी you sit down there
अरे बोलने
what do you want sit down Gupta ji no your notice is not on this subject there is no notice from you on this subject sit down
श्रीमान जी
I have called Gupta ji sit down
श्रीमान अरे यार बोलने दो रे
sit down
अरे आप बोलने
I will call you sit down yes
श्रीमान जी
I will allow you
जब किसी फ्लाइट में, चाहे वो पैसेंजर प्लेन हो चाहे प्राइवेट प्लेन हो, कोई पैसेंजर बीमार हो जाए, कोई इमरजेंसी हो जाए, फ्यूल की शॉर्टेज हो जाए, फ्यूल मौसम खराब हो जाए, तो दुश्मन के एयरफील्ड के ऊपर में भी लैंड करने की इजाजत दी जाती है। श्रीमान जी, 2 हफ्ते पहले जेट एयरवेज की फ्लाइट कराची में लैंड की क्योंकि एक पैसेंजर बीमार हो गया। इसमें एक सर्विस फ्लाइट थी जिसमें सैकड़ों पैसेंजर बैठे हुए थे। यह तो एक किस्म से एक दुश्मनी दिखाने का इससे बड़ा और क्या मौका हो सकता है आप लोगों के लिए कि आप लोगों ने उस जहाज को लैंड करने की इजाजत नहीं दी और उसमें इमरजेंसी लैंड करनी पड़े। तो श्रीमान जी, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है ये स्थिति ठीक नहीं है। इसमें आप लोग भी कभी इसके
नो एलिगेशन,
आप लोग भी विक्टिम
नो एलिगेशन। Yes, sorry. I'll call you. Rangarajan, I'll call you. Rangarajan. No allegation. Rangarajan, please. Yes. Rangarajan. No allegation. Allegation will be expunged. Sit down. If any allegation is there, I will expunge it.
श्रीमान जी,
allegation will be expunged. Sit down.
श्रीमान जी,
sit down. Rangarajan.
श्रीमान जी,
हो गया.
इनके लीडर
आपने बोल चुका। गुप्ता जी बैठिए। गुप्ता जी बैठिए। रंगराजन, गुप्ता जी बैठिए। गुप्ता जी बैठिए। हो गया। आपने बोल चुका। आपने बोल चुका।
एक मिनट श्रीमान जी, आजकल इनके छोटे
अरे प्रोवोक मत करो।
प्राइवेट प्लेन्स में घूम रहे हैं। तो आप लोग सबसे ज्यादा विक्टिम होने जा रहे हैं।
बैठिए। रंगराजन, प्लीज।
Sir, I consider this is a serious issue. Whether VIP is there or not, when 100 passengers traveling and pilots wanted to land urgently, if the airport authority, those in charge of the airport, if they did not oblige, it proves the inefficiency of the government and the particular department.
Okay.
Sir, there must be thorough inquiry on this.
Okay, I agree.
It may happen to any
Navneet
aircraft.
Krishnan.
I also urge the central government to hold a thorough, independent, impartial inquiry into this incident, and on all the chief ministers of state must be protected very well by the central government.
Okay, Tiruchi Shiva.
Sir, the aircraft that has flown with shortage of fuel and the ATC not permitting the flight which was in an urgency to land is purely manual and not technical, sir. And VIP, the West Bengal Chief Minister, along with a member of this House and many other passengers have flown. Every life is very precious, sir. So it is a manual snag and thorough probe has to be undertaken, and the report must be submitted to this House, for a member of this House has also flown in that, and such things should not be repeated in future since it involves the lives of under.
सर मेरा बड़ा टेक्निकल मुद्दा उठा रहा हूँ। मंत्री जी के जवाब से मैं जो मुद्दा उठा रहा हूँ, संजय जी ने भी इसको पॉइंट आउट किया। अच्छा, तो ये जो है सर, जो मंत्री जी ने जवाब दिया कि जब इस प्लेन ने ये कंप्लेन की कि इसके पास फ्यूल की शॉर्टेज, तो स्पाइस जेट सहित तमाम दूसरे प्लेन ने भी कहना शुरू कर दिया कि उनके पास जो है फ्यूल शॉर्टेज है। अब ये तो और गंभीर मामला हो गया कि अगर फ्यूल शॉर्टेज इतने प्लेन में थी तो उनको अलाउ कैसे किया टेक ऑफ करने का। इसका भी जब जो है, जो एयर सेफ्टी है और DGCA इसका पूरा अकाउंट लेता है, तो ये कैसे अलाउ किया गया कि इतने सारे प्लेन्स में फ्यूल शॉर्टेज। हाँ, तो मैंने तुम्हें कहा, मैंने नाम लिया इसीलिए। हाँ, ओके। तो इसलिए जो है सर, ये तो और सीरियस हो गया, इसलिए अब इनको जरूर इस पे जवाब देना चाहिए। हाँ, तो ये मनी शॉर्टेज चली रही, फ्यूल शॉर्टेज भी क्या हो रहा है देश में, ये देश में हो क्या रहा है, तो इसलिए इनको जवाब दे। सिविल एविएशन सर बहुत ज्यादा नीचे जा रहा, बहुत डिटोरिएशन है, सिविल एविएशन में कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए।
Okay, now KTS Tulsi, Sri KTS Tulsi. Sri KTS Tulsi. Sri KTS Tulsi.
As a lawyer,
that's why I called you also.
As a lawyer, I feel that there is credible material which has already been referred to, on the basis of which
on the basis of which an FIR of attempt to murder ought to be registered and a matter formally inquired into.
Okay. Now, Honorable